Assessment Task 2 is really intended to scaffold you into Assessment Task 3. The topics we've chosen for the online lectures are intended to deepen your understanding about some of the key features of integrated studies that we would like to see you transfer to Richard Battersby's classroom when you undertake Assessment Task 3. So there's really two aims here. One is to get you to connect with some theoretical ideas about why we might do integrated studies differently, how we might do it. And the other goal is to get you to start thinking about how could I do something like this in a real classroom. So you need to be viewing the online lectures. In those lectures, there are questions. Try answering those in your journal. They're designed to start to get you to think about connections between the theory and how we're applying that in the current investigation that you're part of. Link it also to your experiences in the investigation. How are you feeling about this type of learning? Initially, you might feel a little unsure. It's not the traditional model. How does this make you feel? What does this say about you as a learner and what you like? As with most reflections, we want you to answer the why question. Most of all, it's about you explaining why you're having the reactions, why you like a particular aspect of the model or not. Try and link it to the sorts of concepts that are in the lecture itself. And no, you don't have to use references in your reflective journal, but you will when it comes to Assessment Task 3. How is this approach helping you learn about sustainability? Are you being engaged by it or not? Again, always linking back to the focus of the online lecture. It's also, in this reflective journal, a good chance to think about some of the things you've experienced in the investigation, so in your task force briefings. What might you adopt or adapt if you were doing something similar in your own primary school classroom? Your university students, your adult learners, not primary school students. University is a very different place to a classroom. You come once a week for 2 hours. You're not there all day, every day. So things might need to be done differently in a classroom to how you experience them as a learner at university. So here's a chance to play with some ideas. What might you do differently? What might you take but change a little bit? Or what might you do completely differently? Again, the important question, why? Each post is worth 5% of your total marks, and it's about 400 words. 400 words that are hard to write because we want you to be comprehensive but concise. So one of the things that I say to my students is don't post the first 400 words that you write. Don't just see this as a hurdle that has to be passed. We want you to take your writing a little bit seriously. It's a key challenge for many of us, me included, is to write using our words wisely. So take this as an opportunity to rewrite, redraft, reread what you've written. That would be helpful. Make sure that you get your post in within a week, and your tutors are going to provide feedback. And this is a fantastic opportunity for you to get some feedback from us and then incorporate that feedback into your transfer of learning assignment, your assessment task number 3. I hope this helps to explain the purpose of the reflective journals. Remember that the instructions on the website show you where to go. Click on Reflective Journal on the course website on the menu on the left-hand side, and then create your journal entry. Easy peasy. See you in class.